up to Listen Way, but today we're going to make amazing laddus, which are so good, which are super duper good, and I like them so much, and they're going to be so nice, so tasty. So let's begin with, what is this?
Pop ragi powder.
And
1 cup.
1 cup. And hot water.
Half cup.
Half cup. And ghee, 1 spoon. Right?
You can add 2 spoons.
2 spoons? Oops, I forgot. And mix. Mix until it grows like a dough, like chapati pindi. Okay. Now we're done. Now let's make it into. Oh, it's still watery, guys. So let's mix it more. After the white things away. Now can we mix it? Or I mean, do laddus? Okay. It's like mud or something. And then let's put it in this bowl. And this is the dough of this. That's how I mix it. So this can buy in an Indian store. You can buy it in an Indian store. Oh yeah. I think we bought it from Indian store or Costco. So
We hope it is available in Costco, but it is currently in Indian stores.
yeah. I hope, but no. So laddus in. Okay. And is that because there's no more space?
Okay, where are the laddus?
Right over here. Ta-da!
Are you going to taste them now?
Yeah. So yummy. Can't stop eating it. Bye bye. Subscribe this video. Make sure you buy this to make it.